In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing on shared Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful when you're collaborating with others but want to maintain control over the final content by preventing unauthorized or unapproved edits. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the specific document that you want to safeguard. This is pretty straightforward. Just locate the document in your Google Drive and double-click to open it. Once you're there, turn your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a blue button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. After clicking the Share button, you'll find yourself looking at a pop-up window that gives you various sharing options. Focus on the Get Link section. This is where you can control access to your document. Currently, it may show something like Restricted or Anyone with the link. Either way, go ahead and click on the Change option right next to it. This option is essential as it lets you specify who can see or interact with your document. Now, once you click Change, you're presented with different access levels. On the right side, where you see the Anyone with the link setting, you'll have a drop-down menu. Click on that and you'll be given a few choices such as Editor, Commenter, and Viewer. For this particular task, you'll want to select Commenter. By choosing Commenter, you're setting the document to allow only suggestions and comments. This way, anyone with the link can propose edits or comments without making direct changes to the original content. This setup is perfect for instances where you want feedback or insight from team members without risking accidental or unwanted adjustments to your document. They'll operate in suggestion mode exclusively, meaning they can highlight text and suggest edits. But any changes they propose won't alter the original text until you review and approve them. After you've selected Commenter, you can hit Done at the bottom of the sharing settings. This will save your new restrictions and implement them. And there you have it. That's how you restrict editing on a shared Google Doc, ensuring you maintain editorial control while still welcoming collaborative input. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues while following these steps, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.